Very good morning to all of you, dear children. Welcome in your English class. In our last video, we started our chapter Taro's Reward. This is a beautiful story of a devoted son who was very kind-hearted and who was very thoughtful. He wanted to give his parents the best life. Though they were poor, but he worked hard to earn more and more money so that he can provide his parents all the facilities. One day his old father shivered with cold and wished for a cup of sake. The very same day, Taro got up early in the morning to chop the wood, and there he saw a waterfall which produced sake for his father. So let's see what happened next. Taro quickly filled the pitcher he had with him and hurried home. The old man was delighted with the sake. After only one swallow of the liquid, he stopped shivering and did a little dance in the middle of the floor. What happened one day? जब एक दिन टैरो जल्दी उठ के काम करने गया और जब वो काम करते करते बहुत थक गया, when the sun climbed up, he felt so thirsty, तो उसने एक दूसरी डायरेक्शन से एक आवाज़ आती सुनी, right? And Taro ran in the direction of the stream because he was thirsty, and there he saw what he saw. There was a waterfall which was producing sake. उसने जैसे ही उसको पिया, he filled his pitcher with the sake and went to his home, और जहाँ जाके उसने अपने फादर को वो सेक दिया. And as soon as he drank, he began to dance in the middle of the floor. उसके फादर वो पीते ही बहुत खुश हो गए. He danced with delight. खुशी से वो झूमने लगे. And he stopped shivering and he danced in the middle of the floor. जब आप लोग भी खुश होते हैं तो आप अपने घर के बीचों बीच डांस करने लगते हैं. In the same way, the old person also started dancing in the middle of the floor after having the sake. Let's move to paragraph number 8. That afternoon, a neighbor stopped by for a visit. Taro's father politely offered her a cup of the sake. What happened the same afternoon? जैसे आपके घर भी मेहमान आ जाते हैं, in the same way, one of the neighbor visited their house. उनके घर आए and his father offered him a cup of sake. अभी उनके पास कहाँ से था? क्योंकि जो टैरो है वो What's the meaning of offer? Offer means देना. ठीक है, आपके घर गेस्ट आते हैं तो आप उनको रिस्पेक्ट रिगार्ड के लिए कुछ ना कुछ ऑफ़र करते हैं, टी कॉफ़ी. तो ही हैड अ पिक्चर ऑफ सेक. उसके पास घड़े में बहुत सारा सेक था, तो ही ऑफर्ड सेक टू दैट नेबर. द लेडी ड्रैंक इट ग्रीडली एंड थैंक द ओल्ड मैन. उस लेडी ने, ग्रीडली मीन्स जब कोई चीज़ आपको बहुत मुश्किल से मिलती है, आप उसको बहुत लालच से, राइट? ग्रीडली मीन्स एज इफ़ डिज़ायरिंग मोर एंड मोर. जब हमारे मन में किसी चीज़ के लिए और लालच आ जाता है, उसने उसको उसी तरीके से पिया क्योंकि उसको भी वो पी के वो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. बिकॉज इट इज़ एन एक्सपेंसिव ड्रिंक एंड इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर द पुअर पीपल टू गेट इट सो ईजिली. एंड थैंक द ओल्ड मैन. और उसने उस ओल्ड मैन को थैंक किया. देन टैरो टोल्ड हर द स्टोरी ऑफ द मैजिक वाटरफॉल. Thanking them for the delicious drink, she left in a hurry. Taro is very kind and honest person. तो टैरो ने उसको बिल्कुल सच सच बताया कि from where he got that sake, right? He told her about the waterfall also. वो लेडी वहाँ से वो सुनने के बाद she left in a hurry. Left in a hurry means किसी जगह को छोड़ के जल्दी से भाग जाना. She left in a hurry means उनके घर से वो जल्दी से चली गई. By nightfall, she had spread the story throughout the whole village. Throughout means पूरे में. रात तक उसने by nightfall, रात होने तक. By nightfall means रात होने तक उसने इस waterfall की पूरी स्टोरी सारे विलेज में सबको बता दी. That evening there was a long procession of visitors to the woodcutter's house. Each man heard the story of the waterfall and took a sip of the sake. In less than an hour, the pitcher was empty. What that lady did? She spread that news. उसने वो news सारे village में फैला दी. And after listening, what happened? A long procession of visitors. Procession किसे कहते हैं? When large number of people or vehicles किसी भी जगह पे इकट्ठे गैदर हो जाते हैं, जिसे आप कई बार शोभा यात्रा भी देखते हैं, इकट्ठे बहुत सारे लोग जा रहे हैं या जुलूस हो गया, तो इसी तरीके से उनके घर भी ऐसे विजिटर्स मीन्स आने वाले बहुत सारे लोग इकट्ठे हो गए टू द वुड कटर्स हाउस। और उस सब ने वहाँ पे ईच मैन हर्ड द स्टोरी ऑफ अ वाटरफॉल, दे ऑल हर्ड द स्टोरी हाउ ही गॉट द सेक एंड टुक अ सिप ऑफ द सेक एंड एवरीवन टुक द सिप ऑफ द सेक। सबने सेक पिया भी। इन लेस देन एन आवर, एक आधे घंटे के से भी कम में उनका वो जो पिक्चर था, घड़ा था, दैट वॉज एम्प्टी बिकॉज एवरीबडी वॉज टेस्टिंग दैट सेक। Next morning, Taro started for work even earlier than the morning before. In the same way, अभी उसके मन में कोई लालच नहीं था. He still wanted to do hard work, right? तो वो पहले दिन से भी ज़्यादा जल्दी उठा. He got up more or even earlier than the morning before. He carried with him the largest pitcher he owned, for he intended first of all to go to the waterfall. What he did, he got up very early in the morning and what he carried with him, he carried a large pitcher. अगर अब उसको ये लग रहा था कि ये कहानी पूरे विलेज में सबको पता है and now everyone is going to visit there. So what he wanted कि मैं वहाँ जाऊँ और मैं ये सेक से पूरा अपना पिक्चर को फिल कर लूँ. When he reached it, he found to his great surprise all his neighbors there. And when he reached there, what he found, वो बहुत हैरान हो गया. It was very surprising for him कि वो इतनी जल्दी पहुंचा, लेकिन उससे भी पहले उसके neighbors वहाँ पर already थे. They were already present there. They were carrying pitchers, jars, buckets, anything they could find to hold the magic sack. And what they were holding in their hands, they were holding pitchers, ghade, jar, buckets, baltiyan, whatever they could carry, they can carry. They were holding all the things and they were already present near the waterfall. They were anything they could find to hold the magic sack. Then one villager knelt and held his mouth under the waterfall to drink. And same way, जैसे टैरो ने अपने हाथों से छोटा सा कप बना के एक जैसे हम हाथों को जोड़ते हैं, इसी तरह से वहाँ पे एक विलेजर ने भी, he also joined his hands and he knelt, he sat on his knees to drink the water. He drank again and again and then shouted angrily, "Water, nothing but water." Others also tried, but there was no sake, only cold water. What happened? To their surprise, they were surprised, they were amazed to see that the waterfall, there was no sake, there was only water coming from the waterfall. झरने में से हमेशा पानी ही आता है, सेक नहीं आता. तो उन लोगों को गुस्सा आया. They were thinking as Taro has told lie to all of them. उनको ऐसा लग रहा था कि टैरो ने उनसे झूठ बोला है. But Taro was an honest person. उसने किसी से भी झूठ नहीं बोला था. We have been tricked, shouted the villagers. Where is Taro? Let us drown him in this waterfall. What's the meaning of drown? Drown means डुबो देना. They were very unhappy. They were angry. As I told you that they thought that Taro had made fool of them. है ना? वो ये सोच रहे थे कि टैरो ने हमारा पागल बनाया है. So they were very unhappy and they what they wanted to beat him. वो उसको मारना चाहते थे. And what they were saying, let us drown him in this waterfall. इसी waterfall में उसको पकड़ के डुबो देते हैं. But Taro had been wise enough to slip behind a rock when he saw how things were going. But he was quite an intelligent boy. What he did, he hid बिहाइंड द रॉक. वो एक रॉक के पीछे से सब कुछ देख रहा था. तो उसने जब देखा कि ऑल द विलेजर्स आर वेरी एंग्री एंड दे आर नॉट गेटिंग सेक फ्रॉम द वाटरफॉल, दे आर गेटिंग ओनली वाटर, सो ही हिड बिहाइंड द रॉक. He was nowhere to be found and they tried to find him but they were not able to find they tried to find him but Taro was nowhere. Muttering their anger and disappointment, the villagers left the place one by one. What's the meaning of muttering? Speaking unclearly. Muttering means उनको कुछ नहीं पता था what to speak. They were just speaking and speaking. Nothing was clear to them कि what has happened. ये क्या हुआ है? As Taro told them that there was the sake in the waterfall. But everything was so unclear. They were not able to find the Taro also. So the villagers left the place one by one. They went from there. Taro came out from his hiding place. Was it true? He wondered. He himself was wondered. वो खुद भी surprised था. He himself was amazed that how the sake turned into water. Was the sake a dream? उस दिन जो मुझे यहाँ से सेक मिला था, क्या वो एक सपना था? Once more he caught a little liquid in his hands and put it to his lips. Again he did the same thing. He again put the water near his lips. It was the same fine sake. But what he was getting, to his surprise, he was getting fine sake. जब भी वो पीता था तो उस magical waterfall से पानी की जगह सेक ही निकलता था. To the thoughtful son, the magic waterfall gave the delicious sake, right? He was so thoughtful, he was so kind, he was so honest and devoted that the magic waterfall gave the delicious sake to him only. सिर्फ उसी के लिए निकलता था. To everyone else it gave only cold water, but for others it was the waterfall only for the water. वहाँ से सिर्फ ठंडा पानी निकलता था. Moving to the 13th paragraph, the story of Taro and his magic waterfall reached the Emperor of Japan. He sent for the young woodcutter and rewarded him with 20 pieces of gold for having been so good and kind. So what happened later on? जो Taro की story थी, reached the Emperor of Japan. जो जापान के राजा थे वहाँ तक ये story पहुँची कि how the waterfall is providing sake to the Taro and others are getting water from it. He sent for the young woodcutter. What's the meaning of sent for? आपको लग रहा होगा भेजना. Sent for means called. उन्होंने Taro को बुलाया. Sent for means message भेज के बुलाना. Called up. He called up the young woodcutter and rewarded him. उसको क्या देके उसको इनाम दिया? उसको 20 pieces of gold दिए for having been so good and kind. As we all know that Taro was so good and kind and devoted. He was not a liar. उसने किसी से झूठ नहीं बोला. उसने सारी सच्ची कहानी बताई थी. But now it's up to the magical waterfall कि वो उसकी मर्जी कि वो बाकियों को क्या देना चाहते थे और Taro को उसकी honesty, goodness और kindness के लिए क्या reward देना चाहते थे. Then he named the most beautiful fountain in the city after Taro. What he did? उन्होंने जो city का सबसे beautiful झरना था, fountain था, उसको किसका नाम दिया? Taro का नाम दिया. This, said the emperor, was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. Why he did so? उन्होंने ऐसा क्यों किया? So that whenever children will come to know that why this fountain is named after Taro's name, they will come to know क्योंकि Taro अपने parents के लिए he was an obedient son, he was so devoted son and he always honors his son ताकि बाकी बच्चे भी अपने parents की इज्जत करें, उनका मान करें, उनकी respect करें और उनकी सेवा करें. That's why he made a fountain and the fountain was named Taro. So this is a beautiful story of Japan. Right, so dear children, read this story thoroughly. We will discuss this story in our live class on Monday and you will be asked to read the story with correct pronunciation. I am going to ask the word meanings also and I can also say you to summarize the story. That's all for today. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.